So let's fly through the rest of things here. Oil futures, not too much. Oil, the XLE, the basket that's going to follow it, it just keeps failing. These are lower lows. Lower highs. We haven't got a low yet. It's just a grind. So these are really underperforming. When we look at, we have not got paid fat. This is the first year probably since we launched the service that the service has not outperformed with financials. Like I said, we looked at a lot of stop outs this year, and probably 5 stop outs have been from this sector. This has been a tricky sector to trade. Even when we engaged long recently at FAS, we came and got stopped. And now we're just breaking new highs. And once again, what happens after you break new highs? We're coming right back down. This has been a little bit tricky. I will say this. As ugly as the tape looks on Friday, if we come off the lows and Friday's lows hold and we continue to grind higher, and this is very bullish that the financials could lead. But one day doesn't make a market. Wednesday and Friday don't really mean anything until we see some follow through in one of those directions. Friday either, once again, if we see further deterioration from Friday's sell-off, currently we're down 27 handles and going lower. If you see further deterioration on Monday and, let's say we're down another 20 handles, that's going to be significant in my eyes. Obviously, we're going to watch the 10 SMA, we're going to watch the trend, but the technicals mean everything to me. We're going to get to the transports in a moment. The small cap's doing nothing really for 5 months. They just have done absolutely nothing. And there's our transports in that wedge pattern right in the middle of the wedge. So transports aren't leading. Small caps aren't leading. Banks are, but they could be failing. It's too early to tell yet. Let's look at gold. Gold breaking trend. Got a little bit exhausted up here. MACD bear cross. What about our bonds? Bonds hit new highs without MACD. They're looking more for a consolidation before higher. And I've been bullish bonds for a while.